Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 11. We'll present the result of a review paper entitled Manufacturing Warehouse Productivity Improvement Strategy using Six Sigma, Lean, and Kaizen method. Our group consists of 4 people, consisting of Awani Sabrina Kamarani, Tasya Amara, Sarah Nur Azizah, and also Ismi Nur Oktaviani Harsono.
The first is background. PT Asmar Partogi is a company engaged in automotive components. PT Asmar Partogi has a spare parts storage warehouse that serves to meet the spare part needs of companies that use the company's service. In observations at PT Asmar Partogi's warehouse, the obstacles found in storage activities are the arrangement of goods that are not well organized. This can be seen in the presence of spare parts that do not function mixed with spare parts that are still experiencing rotation stored in the warehouse. These problems can make it difficult to find the required spare parts. Next is the formulation of the problem. The formulation of the problem in this research is how to increase productivity in the spare parts storage warehouse at PT Asmar Partogi, how is the implementation of Lean Sigma with the ABC method at PT Asmar Partogi spare parts storage warehouse, and the last, how does the condition of PT Asmar Partogi spare parts storage warehouse before and after the implementation of Lean Sigma. Next is the research purpose. The first, to increase productivity of PT Asmar Partogi's manufacturing warehouse. Second, to optimize the function of the warehouse with a good arrangement. And the last, to improve the arrangement of placing spare parts in the warehouse.
Methods and tools in Six Sigma. Method used for data collection on spare part warehouse at PT Asmar Partogi. Number 1, observation. Number 2, communication. And number 3, documentation. At the spare part warehouse at PT Asmar Partogi, to do planning application 5 is method, sort, set in order, shine, standardize, and sustain. This paper uses the Pareto analysis and ABC classification. 5 is number 1, sort. Sort or election done with determine what is needed and what is not required in warehouse. Number 2, set in order. Set in order implementation is done by arranging goods in the warehouse so that goods can be found easily. Number 1, grouping. Grouping spare part based on ABC classification. As for grouping, goods carried out according to the Pareto principle. Goods supply classified into 3 categories. Categories A, Category B, and Category C. Number 2, grouping equipment. Grouping to available equipment at warehouse will done is accordance with election equipment that has been determined based on the principle the selection contained in the method sort. Number 3, shine. Shine is to do environmental cleaning work, machine or equipment, and items stored so as not to there is dust and dirt. And for standardize. Standardize is to maintain the 3 results that have been achieved previously. And last, sustain. Application sustain, don't aim for give previous performance, don't become more good. Data processing. The step of data processing in the spare part warehouse at PT Asmar Partogi to get an improvement designed to increase the timelines of service delivery using land service improvement. Through Six Sigma analysis in the study can be seen in the following figure 1. Result and discussion. First, define stage. Based on table 2, companies have claimed against product defect. This can affect product quality to customer. And based on table 3, the warehouse of PT Asmar Partogi made processing order for 1 year as many as 105,634 if the monthly target is 10,000. Then the average achievement obtained is 8,803, so it is still far from the company expected target. The number of disability claims received by the company for 1 year is 1,346. The obtained DPMO is 21,844, so the sigma value is 3.5.
2. State measure. The measure state is the result state of product defect data that occur during the goods storage process. In the previous data, it is known that the average purchase order fulfillment every month is 8,083, far from the set target of 10,000 per month. If the company is active for 25 in a month, it will be obtained in 1 day, which is 353. Every minute, the company completes a purchase order of 0.85 per minute. If it's done according to the target, then in 1 minute it is 0.95 per minute. 3. Set analyze. Based on result interview, is now there is a number of reason happening disability product among others as following. 1. Workers not enough adequate regarding handed goods. 2. Item is on the path then forklift crossing. 3. Nowhere you serious in work. 4. Item exceeds capacity. 5. Fill in cardboard no full or retail, and etc. 4. Improve state. A. Short is activity spiration among useful stuff with items that are not useful. One method possible spiration use is ABC classification. Based on the table above, the items separated by classification, goal is minimize the risk that arise, especially in class item A, which has charged 80% more big. B. Set in order. 1. How to apply is to do grouping goods by type and classification as well as share goods into a number of categories from the frequency tall until low. C. Shine. In warehouse, PT Asmar Partogi provide tool necessary cleanliness in nurse cleanliness warehouse. Giving schedule and share duty picket cleanliness required minimize impurities that can lower quality the items inside warehouse. D. Standardize. A number of activity that can done in warehouse PT Asmar Partogi is as following. 1. Every good placed by using the shelf or pallet. 2. No item damage or defective quick spirited. 3. Every type goods be equipped with car stock good. A. Sustain. State sustain with a minimum of every week or month then evaluation activity inside warehouse and ensure every activity is already done with good and true. 5. State control. Add state this then control to the process that has been done in the warehouse. Example, make check to every purchasing order process inside warehouse and others.
Conclusion. Based on the research, it can be said that if 5S activities are implemented at PT Asmar Partogi, it will have a good impact on productivity in the warehouse. The result of the statistical test show that the differences before and after applying the 5S method to the storage warehouse. While for suggestion, preferably to reduce the number of defective product, for the next quality control process must be more tight-knit. In addition, it is hoped that the result of this research can be implemented in real term at PT Asmar Partogi. Paper strength and weakness. The first strength is using good intonation and in according to spelling. Second, explain clearly and completely the background of the problem. While the weakness are first, the format of writing paper is not neat, so it looks messy and confusing when reading it. Second, the abstract part is incomplete, so the reader does not know the content of the whole paper from reading the abstract.